Hello everyone, it's James and welcome back to Web3 Revolution. Today, we're going over OKTO, an orchestration layer of Web3 using chain abstraction. But before we dive into it, as always, this information is not financial advice, so please do your own research. Talk to a licensed financial advisor for investing. If you want to follow along or just browse at your leisure, there's going to be some links in the description below that you can click on and go to this site. So, here we go. All right. This is the chain abstraction layer panel that was done recently. Vitalik Buterin was in on that. He's the co-founder of Ethereum. And it's a big project, big thing going on right now. It is the future chain abstraction. It basically is making it easier so that users that are not as educated don't have to worry about all of the wonderful blockchain information and all those numbers. I did bring up a little bit of help topic on it. The idea behind chain abstraction is simple. Blockchain technology should be abstracted away from the user experience. So in other words, people should not realize when they are using blockchain or which blockchain they're using. So this just makes the whole process so much easier for end users and even developers. So that's chain abstraction. That is the way forward. Now, what does OKTO do? Well, they're an orchestration layer around it, developing around chain abstraction. This is their main page. They've got a white paper. I'd suggest if you want to really get into the technical details, read their white paper. There's a lot of information in that. You can access the wallet here, which I'll get to in a minute. The site is actually pretty clean. A lot of good information on here. The OKTO chain is leveling up chain abstraction by building a fully expressive orchestration layer. It offers developers a unified platform to build next-generation applications on Web3 rails by providing simple SDKs on one hand and access to protocol community-created blocks on the other hand. Think easy-to-use scripts. OKTO does the heavy lifting for abstracting Web3 complexities across fragmented ecosystems while providing users Web2-like experiences. So here it is, Web3, OKTO. You got developers and then users. So users aren't going to see a whole lot. Just makes it easier. Looks like a lot of users, 1 million plus. Lots of protocols, and so far 20 plus apps built around OKTO. The text here is a little bit small, but basically you've got this circle here, transaction orchestration, orchestrating blockchain transactions to abstract technology and enable application-first experiences for devs and users. The OKTO chain, so build an OKTO chain to make the platform trustless, posable, and modular. Unified wallet, unifying wallet accounts across blockchains and making wallet signing secure. So security is definitely important. We don't need people getting into our wallets. All transactions are covered. Chain abstraction, gas abstraction, protocol abstraction, private key abstraction, all of them. OKTO handles it all. It's a good thing. Unified wallet for everything Web3. Very secure. Has a little bit about the secure chain. ZK rollup app chain secured by a decentralized set of POS validators that stores the user account data, permissions, crypto economic security, and use case scripts. All other components get inherited authority from this immutable app chain ledger. Good information. A little bit on their ecosystem. Wallet, they got a little light SDK for development. That's a software development kit. And CoinDCX, that is actually the founding company of the largest crypto exchange in India. I'll get on to that a little bit in a few. Bringing Web3 to devs, not devs to Web3. really nice here. Really nice site too. Developer-friendly APIs, so there's a little bit code snippet back there. It makes it easier for developers that want to create apps around Okta. There's just some code there. And there's the community. They got a Telegram, they've got a YouTube, looks like they have a Discord and an X account. We'll go over here to their X. Joined in August of 22, 16,000 followers. They're still growing. And they're posting content quite often here, it looks like. 2 hours ago. Be talking about it, announcing our second speaker for Consumer Crypto Day. 17 September. Here's Dean Tribble. Yeah, a lot of information. Browse at your leisure. Go ahead and follow them. And their Telegram, showing 2,081 members, 254 of them online right now. So that's quite big community and growing. And that's the end of their site at the bottom. Now up here, you can access the wallet here. And what you'll do is you'll click on the download. If you're on mobile, there's a QR code. And you can go to the Apple Store or the Play Store. And once you have it downloaded, you'll get this little app here where you can create your wallet, create or import a wallet, log in if you have CoinDX already, and it just brings everything into it. I don't have it, so I'm not able to go ahead and do all that, but it's actually very self-explanatory. You can just click on the links in the app and it will take you to where you need to go. Let me get that off. Now, CoinDX is the crypto company behind it. They're the most valued one in India. Where I'm at, I'm not able to actually access the app or the OKTO app or anything like that because I'm in a different country. But if you're in a country that supports it, you can open it up and go there. They have a lot of investors, hundreds of millions. They're valued at $1 billion. So they're pretty well trusted in the community and in India. 1.4 consumer rating. I believe that's what CR stands for. It'd be nice if the developers on some of these sites would, not just put a abbreviation without maybe a little information on what that means. It is for those that are new and don't understand or don't know. So, but there's CR, 16,000 CR, trading volume. Making it accessible. It's the most valued crypto. Another thing is this is a little bit light on the eye, so it's a little hard to read. So maybe some contrasting colors on the website just to point out for the webmaster. So India's most valuable crypto investment app, dedicated to make crypto accessible in simple ways. Established in 2018, so it's got quite a few years on it. It solved numerous problems faced by the Indian crypto community with solutions around crypto investing, trading, and literacy. There's a lot of information in there to educate you on what crypto is and how to do it. So there's the app. They have a trading product, a pro trading product, API for developers. DCX Learning, again, an education center, so you can learn all about crypto. And they're all free. And venture capital, those that might want to invest. A little bit about their founders. Some of the company employees, and you can't read this text here because it's not contrasted well. Join us to build the Indian crypto ecosystem together. There's something that could just be the way the page is layered, and this is hidden by the picture. No place to work. So they also have employment. So if you need a job, there's a career section. All right, so there is the main company, CoinDX. Now back to the wallet, so you can kind of see I'm gonna go over just a little bit of the features in the wallet. That's once you log in, you'll get this. Now I'm going to be looking over here. I know the camera's here, but I'm going to look over here a little bit where the app is so I can see. And this is the main screen of the app. You can add your funds, all kinds of stuff here. Trading, the whole nine. We'll go over a few of the things in there. There's some spotlights. You scroll to the left or right on the spotlights, just some information on some current crypto. So that's interesting, good information to have. Here's the wallet. Again, scrolling through, you've got all your listed cryptos in there. Again, trending cryptos. Yeah, all kinds. They have a point system, so you can earn points based on your investing. Bonus points and whatnot. 50. My screen is actually kind of small, but it looks like 0 to 25% on their earnings. The points there. Nice interface on this mobile app, so it gives you a lot of information. Here's where you can go ahead and trade and do some margins, and you got to add funds, of course. Changing the leverage. If it's a market order or not. It's really intuitive. There's a lot of stuff on there for creating investment orders. That's it. The app's got a lot of information. There's a lot going on, so that it's pretty nice, pretty neat stuff. Their download link for the wallet, has a little bit as well. You can click through here if you want to see a little bit about it in detail. Airdrops made simple. Earn a passive income, so there's your 50% over time. Secure but simple. Create wallet securely, multi-factor, I can't speak, authentication, no break-ins, malicious app protection, which is great in case you have another app on your phone. So you don't have to worry about the other apps getting in. Transparent activity and true self-custody. Your keys, your crypto. And they have an embedded wallet for using the OKTO wallet in other apps. A very large community, very, very big. A lot of good information on it too. They've developed this site fairly well. Another thing to note, they're actually giving back to the community with 50,000 Arbitrum, which has to deal with Ethereum and whatnot. They've got a trading challenge, so you earn your share of 50,000 by trading futures on OKTO. And you can unlock up to 1,000 Arbitrum in rewards, or ARB in short. So get involved, get in the community, learn about it, invest. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my word for it. Do your own investigation, your own research into it. But definitely, if you like it, get involved. Join the community and learn from others that are in it. So check out below. We have a referral link. So if you want to get involved, help us out, go ahead and click on that referral link, and that helps us. If you have any comments, anything else you want to know about this, let us know in the comments below. Also, hit that subscribe, hit that like, share it to others that might be interested in the information. It would help us out quite a bit. So until next time, have a great one.